Alright guys, so I just replaced the armrest leather from my 2005 King Ranch on the driver's side here. It's looking pretty good. Need to tighten this up, get this worked over a little bit more here on the back side, but I'm gonna do the same right here. It's pretty easy. Just gotta pull from back here and work your way up. And yeah, we'll get started. I don't think I'm gonna need the knife or anything like that. I think that we should be able to just use our fingers just like we did on the other one. So here we go. All right guys, so as you can see, started to work this off from the bottom here. Just gonna pull it up here, get it off, and pretty straightforward. We'll get to the next one. All right guys, so here is what it looks like once you get that old armrest cover off. Pretty straightforward. Now, put the new one on. All right, as you can see, we've got it on. Just slid it down, kind of work it, as you get it on there. And last little bit, you just gotta work this over. So, final step. All right, guys, here we go. Let it warm up a little bit here. I might pull this over a bit, but hopefully you can see this okay. New one's on. Doesn't look half bad. I know with the lighting in here, it's probably not the easiest to tell, but matches real good. Just gotta condition the leather right here, but I am pleased. Got that leather smell. Believe these are genuine King Ranch. I'll drop a link to where I got them on Amazon, but yeah, hope this was helpful. It's really not that hard of an install, and definitely cleans up the look of the King Ranch interior.